Hey guys, what's happening? How to set up payouts on Skool. So first of all, what you need to do, log in with your account, hit your avatar icon at the top right, and then under the settings you get under the settings you're gonna under the profiles you're gonna see settings. Press it. You're gonna see communities, profile, affiliates on the left hand menu. Select payouts, and if you have a set payout already, you can just go ahead and hit the settings gear next to payouts and continue. I'm gonna hit continue, and we're gonna set up our new payout, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and add information, right? And then what you're gonna do, we're gonna enter our email, and I'm gonna hit submit, right? And we're gonna confirm via our phone number. So I'm gonna wait for a few seconds and I'm gonna get back to you. Once I add my verification code, we're gonna just move on to the next step. All right. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna just copy our saved information, right? And then hit continue. If you want to continue linking account, or if you want to create a business account or new business, go ahead and hit new business. In my case, I'm gonna take the shortcut, hit continue. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna just upload our ID to verify. So I'm gonna skip for now. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna just add the bank details, right, in order to verify the payout, right? And once we confirm the IBAN and everything, we're gonna set our payouts. As you can see right here, we already went through the steps: business type, personal details, verification document, and the bank details once lastly. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.